If your upholstery develops a musty smell after cleaning, act quickly to eliminate trapped moisture and neutralize odor sources. Start by improving airflow around the piece, using fans set to circulate air toward open windows or doors, and, when weather permits, place the item outdoors in indirect sunlight for a few hours to speed drying and reduce microbial growth. Repeat the drying process by blotting with clean absorbent towels, then apply low heat from a hairdryer held at least 12 inches away in constant motion to avoid heat damage. For larger pieces, rent a carpet or upholstery dryer to move air through cushions and seams. Lightly sprinkle a thin, even layer of baking soda over fabric, let it sit for 8 to 12 hours to absorb volatile compounds, then vacuum thoroughly using a brush attachment to lift powder from nap and seams. For foam cushions that remain damp, remove covers if possible and let foam air dry fully on a rack or stand so all sides get exposed to airflow. Compressing damp foam traps moisture and encourages odor. Use a portable moisture meter in seams and cushions if you have one to confirm dryness. Reading should return to ambient room levels before reassembling. If the odor returns after these steps, repeat drying and deodorizing once more, and consider using a mild enzyme cleaner designed for organic odors, following the product instructions to break down residual sources. The most common issue is hidden moisture in cushion cores or inside stitch seams, causing persistent smell. So unzip covers and dry foam and springs directly to resolve it. Another frequent problem is using too much cleaning solution, which leaves residues that hold odor and attract microbes. So always work in small sections, rinse with clear water where safe, and remove as much moisture as possible after cleaning. A third concern is using high heat or harsh scrubbing that can set stains and damage fibers, making odors harder to remove. So test a low visibility area first, use gentle agitation with a soft brush, and stick to manufacturer recommended temperatures. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare services related to upholstery cleaning and odor remediation, and we help contractors find job leads from nearby homeowners. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and post real-world experiences about tackling odor, troubleshooting, and drying techniques.